tomorrow. And I'm just wondering what you're gonna do with the day. The reason why days often feel meaningless and mundane is because we are directionless. You gotta get some direction. I'm just wondering, what are you gonna do in this next 24 hours that you did not do? I'm just wondering if you're gonna level up 2 millimeters more than you did yesterday. Are you gonna get better? Are you gonna get stronger? Are you gonna get wiser? Are you gonna see this thing differently? I'm just wondering, when are you going to see the power of 24 hours? That you did not have to wake up, that God did not have to give you another opportunity to be here, another opportunity to forgive somebody, another opportunity to let it go, another opportunity to look up and get up. I'm just wondering, when are you going to seize the opportunity? Accept where you are. Get cognizant about your money. Get cognizant about your relationships. Where are you mentally? Where are you spiritually and emotionally and financially and economically? Are you driving when you were destined to drive? Where's your health? Where's your heart? Let's get aware of where we are. This is my day to read a new book. This is my day to start a journey. This is my day to make an investment. This is my day to invest in myself. This is my day and this is my time, and it's my turn to crush this day. This is the day I learn like I never have. This is the day I invest like I never have. This is the day I take it seriously. I got one window. I may not be here tomorrow. I'm just wondering if you're going to rise and see the opportunity. Get up, get up, get up. You've got a day to conquer.
You have to understand, if you don't execute on the plan, if you don't get up in the morning when you're feeling tired, scared, if you don't execute, you're not just cheating yourself. You're cheating your family. You're cheating your employees. You're cheating your team. Whatever you're a part of, it's bigger than you, man.
Hard work works, Joe. See, some of you have dreams and goals, but hard work, you can't get around it. I wish there was a magic wand that I could wave, that your passion, your dream, that thing you want to achieve, it could just happen, but it can't. Hard work is required.
What do you do when 1,000 other people want exactly what you want? What if you're not the only one that wants what you want? What if there are thousands of other people who want what you want? You have to outwork.
Well, good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Legacy. Good morning, YouTube. I'm excited to be back here with you guys today. Good morning, Sean. Good morning, Stuart. Hopefully you guys are dialed and ready to execute this morning. We're going to print because we got to. You know what I'm saying? It's another day for us to hit our goals by simply following our plans, executing, and getting the results. Well, we're going to see what we get today. I'm hoping the market isn't choppy on us today. Let me pull up the calendar, see if we have any news dropping. We have 10 o'clock news dropping today, 10 o'clock news. So we're going to have to be mindful of that today. And it's one of those things where, for me personally, for today, I really want to make sure I am waiting for my A++ setups, because sometimes, believe it or not, sometimes if we wait for our A++ setups and we execute, we'll get the result. I don't know if any of y'all noticed that, but when we take that A++ setup, 95% of the time it will pay. It's just, did we have enough patience to wait for the actual setup? So today I'm gonna do my best to wait for the A++ setups. At 9:25, I will give you where the VWAP, the 21 EMA, the pivot points are, so you can mark your charts so we can get dialed before 9:30 here. What a time to be alive, gentlemen. Like, I'm excited, not because I lost like 0.5 pounds, like 0.5 of a pound since yesterday, but I'm excited because we have literally another opportunity to print, and there's no better feeling. How you guys doing in the chat? More. Make sure you're hitting that like button for your boy here. The more you hit the like button, the more YouTube pushes these streams out to people just like yourselves. Quality traders that want to win these freaking markets each and every day. Secure their freedom. Where's my... That's... Let's see here. Yeah, right now we're just sitting at this pivot point. And look at that big little sell-off that happened, which is kind of crazy. We were up over 561 around 7, and then this thing just came tumbling down. So we're going to have to see what this market's truly trying to do today, because we're only trying to take A++ setups. I need to make a couple dollars a day. I got to clean up some of the accounts that I got stopped out on yesterday. Got to put money in my funded accounts today. We got a lot of things to do in the market. So hopefully the market's moving consistent enough, so that way we're able to take enough trades on each account so we can execute. I'm thinking about copy trading this. I'm thinking about just plugging in the evals I've been working on onto my funded accounts and just have it copy trade my funded account. I think that's what I'm doing. My bad. I just realized that y'all can't see green on the horizontal. You ain't here to look at me. There you go. Good morning, guys. I use Replicanto to copy trade. It's for Ninja Traders, so that is why I do use Replicanto. It's for Ninja Trader, and I'm just used to it at this point. I know there's a couple other ones like Trade Syncer, everything like that. I've never tried it, but that would probably be better for like other platforms that aren't like on Ninja Trader. Guys, you ready for today, bro? Hopefully you are, bro. Oh, it's 9:25. So, first order of business, our VWAP on the 2-minute Nasdaq futures chart is sitting at 505.75. 505.75 for the VWAP. Our 21 EMA is sitting down there at 335.75. 335.75 for the 21 EMA. We have a pivot point at 340. So mark your charts 340 for a pivot on TradingView. We also have a pivot above us at 549. 549.25 there for the pivot. Then we have the close from yesterday, 561 for the close. And honestly, this thing may be moving today, so be ready for some fast action, because if it is moving fast, we gotta be ready for it. Let me actually get my copy trader set up real quick. Good morning, Steve.
You got a black screen.
Yeah, I'm putting on my copy trader real quick. That's all, boss. That's all, boss. We're good. That'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty. We're going to shake and bake today.
Oh, right. So yesterday wasn't the granddaddy. Yesterday was like it wasn't the FOMC. It was something, other bond stuff.
Oh, I thought someone said it was FOMC. Yeah, I kind of just ran with it, to be honest.
They say it's FOMC, they tell you, and then you say it on your show, and you're SOL.
Yeah, pretty much. Niner, try Tradeify or Ninja Trader, bro. Because if you're trading on TradingView, definitely try Tradeify or Ninja Trader. It'll be a little more clean, I would say, for you. We got less than 3 minutes, coming up to 2 minutes here for market open. We're going to do what we do best. We're going to execute our plans and strategies to the T so we can get the results today. It's freaking Thursday. We only have today and tomorrow to print, and then we got us a nice little weekend, so I'm excited for that. Let's see. It's like, are we trying to build us a bull flag right here? Because we had that big sell-off at 7 a.m. this morning. Like, are we going to push or are we going to dump, boys? Let me know in the chat what you guys think. Are we going to push at market open or dump? I'm good either way. I just want to see what y'all are thinking.
We're taking ground, man.
I feel like it may want to try retracing, but that sell-off, we had plenty of bear flags. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 bear flags on that sell-off. What's up, Good morning. Market's going up. What's up, Maxwell? Good morning, morning, everybody. Well, we're going to know in a few more minutes, well, a few seconds, actually. We got 30 seconds here for market open. And we're going to see if it's going up or going down today. I'm dialed. I'm so freaking dialed. Nutrition's dialed. Mine's dialed because I'm trying to get some results, boys. And the only way to get it, you have to get dialed. Can't just be guessing or just frolicking through life. You know what I'm saying? You gotta get locked in. There's market open. What's up, Ule? Oi. Bon dia. All right, so that bull flag paying some people. Don't know how long it's going to stay a bull flag. Look with that selling pressure stepping in there. Almost. What's up, Noah? Good morning, bro. There's the pivot point tap right there on TradingView. And the 21 EMA is right below it as well. So we got a lot of things right here. The 21 EMA and that pivot real close together. So I'm holding and waiting, holding and waiting. We did have a lot of selling pressure step in. Well, I still feel like this thing's going.
Duane.
What was that?
It was very quick how that stepped in.
I still feel like this wants to pump.
Order failed. Well, he did do an order fill. Oh my goodness.
Maybe.
Yeah, I guess it's not an order for Duane unless he's like copy trading or doing 28 contracts.
And of course, I'll be in structure here.
Well, you're just doing it to show people how the Rinkos work with the flags.
No, I wasn't trying to do that. I wasn't trying to do that. I'm getting ready to kill this.
Listen, hombre, it's less than 2.5 minutes in, and you're already knee deep.
I know, it's bad.
Your boy.
So I'm looking at the 2 minute. We got a little buying wick, but on that 5, we got that selling wick. I'm gonna probably look at that selling wick on the 5 more than the buying wick on the 2. Personally, like the bulls don't step in here, I'll get ready to kill this. They want to push up. We had that big gap down at 7. So I'm expecting us to fill some of that gap, but I ain't going to sit in this much longer as we're building structure here.
We got 36 seconds on that 5-minute candle.
Yeah, I'm not liking how the Bears, or I meant the Bulls, aren't really stepping aggressive how I want. We got these buying wicks though. We have these buying wicks. That's what I'm looking at.
Mm-hmm.
But I'll get ready to kill this here.
Let's see it, baby. Let's go. Well, wait, we might be getting something here. We'll bounce off the
There we go.
Camarillo pivot. There you go. It bounced off the Camarillo pivot.
But is it going to have enough for the continuation? So I closed 440 right there on 6 accounts. We're going up to that VWAP, but I'll take my profits and freaking run. So the 440, 6 accounts, we'll take it. So actually that was 440 on 2 accounts.
That the screen is black, and I'm proud, man. Oh wait.
Steve's black and proud today, boys. Steve is black and proud today. Funny. Oh God. Steve, anything you're doing for the weekend? Anything fun, sir?
I think my wife's gonna take off Friday, so we're just gonna be just getting into some big projects with the garden and just chilling.
Nice.
Enjoy the pool. Enjoy the food. Enjoy the life.
Yeah, that's what it's about.
Are you doing anything this weekend other than being in ketosis?
It's my girl's birthday, so we're gonna go out to dinner, everything like that this weekend.
Oh, cool.
And we'll really celebrate it when we're in Mexico.
Yeah, because right now you told her the only cake you can have is made out of ham because you can because there's no carbs. So.
Like, listen, I like the my body runs well on no carbs.
No, I mean I believe in it. I like I told you this. I mean, if you learn about macronutrition and your macros, you can do great things. And then there's
Yeah.
a variant of that, like the Mediterranean diet. You're not just complete, it's like a light ketosis, but it's like more balanced if you're like on a maintenance thing. That's huge, man.
Like for me, my body has always operated better off carbs than on carbs. I don't know why that is. Weird.
Well, especially like in this place we live in, a lot of the ingredients, carbs are the things that are the most adulterated as well. So
that's true. That's very true.
That is like a huge part of it.
Niner, let's freaking go, bro. Niner printed $700 on his first trade for the day. Nice. We'll take that, bro. Yeah, right now, just waiting.
He's waiting, anticipating.
Waiting and anticipating today. I want to get into the markets, but I gotta be patient.
You already got in the markets, hombre.
I know, but I want to get back in, and I gotta wait for it.
Hey, what was our news again? Was it 10 and 11:30? I think.
We have the 10 o'clock news. Let me double back over to it. So we got 10, 10:30, and 11:30 for news today.
Is this going to be what Moose would call a retracement?
Well, it got a little bit of some momentum there. But the question is, where's my mouse? Why is it not working? There we go. Are we going to build like a bull flag maybe? That's the whole thing for me. Like, we're having this slight pullback, the retracement, as Moose would like to say. But are we getting ready to pop?
Big pop. Going down to that EMA?
Yep, that 21 EMA is approaching here. It's sitting right around 376.50, 376.50 there. Maybe we tap and bounce off of it. What's up, BP? Good morning, bro. Oh yeah, this thing pop. Look at that buying wick on that thing. Look at that freaking buying wick. Let's see if we can clear these wicks on the 2-minute. Because we clear those wicks, we're going to run to that VWAP.
Oh my goodness. He's doing cardio, ladies and gentlemen. He's doing cardio.
Oh, I did. It was cardio, but not cardio. My trainer had me moving yesterday.
Yeah, no, he rented a U-Haul. It was amazing.
No, so he had me pulling. Yesterday was like an upper body day. So I was doing rows with 645 plates on the sled, pulling it and then pushing it. It was
good for you.
It was a lot. I'm tired, boss.
You loved it.
Oh, I did. Like that type of cardio I enjoy. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm burning and I'm enjoying it, because it's not just sitting on a machine doing cardio. This thing looks like it wants to pop. Let's see if we can clear out these wicks. Come on, Betsy. Let's clear those wicks. I know, Lima. The bottom two charts is the 2 minute, the 5 minute. Then the top chart is not time based, but yes, it moves extremely fast. If you're on like Tradeify or Ninja Trading View, it'd be like, for you over there, it'd be like set to 1 second. Because over there, it has to be time based on Trading View and Tradeify. Mine is not time based, is price based. And yes, it does move fast. We use it to spot the momentum. I want to see us clear these selling wicks so we can take a long here. Are we going to get it though? That's the question. You going to get into XRP hype? No, I already have XRP, so I just have it sitting. I don't even look at it.
What is that?
Crypto.
Oh, okay. Oh, you're okay. You're talking crypto.
Yeah. When it gets up, if it ever gets up to like $100, just know I'm on an island. Just know that. Are we going to finally get our pop? Want to clear out these wicks. Until we clear these selling wicks out, I am not trying to take a long here. We need to clear these wicks out so I can take the long to the VWAP. Just cleared one candle wick, but came right back down.
Well, there's a third support pivot from the Camarillo pivots, and it's respecting that, cutting those candles off.
Okay. Yeah, just be careful here, folks. 30 seconds, then the range is fully completed. The high for the range, 472.5. 472.5. The low of the range, 339. 339 for the low of today's range. Those numbers will hold. Came down close to the 21 EMA, but we did not tag it. 21 EMA is sitting right now at 390.50. 390.50. Hopefully this thing's not just gonna be chopping. Chopping.
Good morning.
Good morning, Moose. Another day in paradise, dude. Waiting for a move. Waiting for a move right now.
Let's see if he's gonna retest this other zone again.
If we lose this 21, we may test the low of this range here. We're sitting right on it. Because it is looking slightly heavier. We're below the 21 EMA. That's a horrible fill. I got the blue line and a lag, so that's never good.
So, no, I don't want to jinx myself. Never mind.
I'm getting ready to close this. It was a really bad fill. Yeah, I'm not trying to sit in this. What was that?
Are you in a sell or a buy?
I'm in a sell.
I think it's gonna come down. Look at the 1 hour. Quick glance to the 1 hour real quick.
I can't, Moose. I'm in a trade, bro.
Oh,
I'm currently in.
The 1 hour, it's a very small body and a huge top wick. It's pushing down. It hit the EMA and the VWAP. I believe it's gonna calm down, Duane. Seriously.
Yeah, I'm fine with it. I just didn't like my fill that I got, bro.
The retrace, right? Also, that shit kills, man. The retraces are like murder. Are you in profit now?
Yeah, I am. I'm letting it run a little bit.
Nice.
450 on that trade right there. We'll take that. Solid base hitting today. And mind you, that was on one contract. Why am I trading one contract? Because I want to protect capital. And I want to size into different trades. Instead of being instantly in drawdown at two contracts, I'd rather be in drawdown on one contract, add in as I see it get ready to push. All right, let's rotate some more. Let's see what's up next. We'll do, let's do that one. What's up, Daz? Good morning or good evening to you over there in Australia.
Sir, what's that drop? 601, baby. 601 on this one right here.
Hey, let's go. Anthony Velez.
It's Fuss, my man. It's Fuss. It's Fuss.
Who?
Mother.
I'm confused. Anthony, are you a new market maker, sir? Or are you my other Anthony? Do I have two Anthonys?
It's Fuss, my man.
I don't know. Oh, are you saying Moss?
Yeah, Moss is in Moss Park.
Oh, what's up, bro? No, you jumped in here. You know what I'm saying? I know who my market makers are. So when I saw a different name, I'm like, who is this? What's up, bro?
I told you they were gonna change my schedule.
Well, welcome, sir. Welcome. Finally on the stream, bro. You've been trying to get in here for forever. Well, welcome.
Yeah, I was being on the night stream, but now finally I could do something in the mornings, you know?
Yep, that's awesome, bro. Excited to have you with us this morning. But that shows I know my regular market maker. So when I see a different name pop in the chat, I'm, wait, who's this? Hold up. Who's this? What's up, Amon? Just funded my funded, so I'm done for. Hey, let's go, Amon. Get it, bro. Daz, having to crawl out of bed. That's rough. Listen, I woke up today. My girl woke me up early today because I had to help get the kids ready because she had to do some things, and this thing's still coming down. We broke out the range, recorrelated. We may actually get our push through this pivot. If we get through this pivot at 340, oh, there we go. Breaking out all the way. 370 on that trade. We're going to keep on rotating here. We're going to keep on rotating. But she woke me up. Oh, man, it's already that time. I feel like my eyes just went closed. Well, all right, if we got to get it moving, let's get it moving. Yeah, I'm such a light sleeper. When she came and wake me up, I jumped. And then I'm like, my bad. Because if I get woken up at certain times that my body's not like actually normally awake, I jump like at alert, ready to go. What's up, Eddie? Good morning, sir. So ready. Yeah, she woke me up. Oh, my bad, baby, my bad. Eddie in the chat. He's one of my new builders for the Legacy Wealth Society. Yesterday was his first day trading my strategy. The man printed $1,000 yesterday.
Nice.
He followed it to the T, and he got the freaking result. Love that.
Beautiful.
Let's go, Betsy. What we going to do? Are we going to build us a little bear flag right here? Take us back down like Charlie Brown? Like what's our plan here? We got that buying wick on that 5-minute candle. We're in the low of the 15-minute range right now. I would like to see us reject at the low of this range and just continue flushing. That's a personal preference. That's just my preference right now. But I want to see some momentum here. That's what I really want to see. We got news in 6 minutes. Well, coming up on 5 minutes. News at 10 o'clock today. BP, don't be afraid to jump on the call, bro.
He is. He told me he was scared.
Hey, Steve said you told him you were scared, bro. What are you scared of? I don't bite.
Hello.
Not till Mexico, at least. For everyone on the horizontal and the vertical stream, good freaking morning to y'all. Hopefully you guys are executing your plans, your strategies, printing in the markets today. Because guess what? If you follow your strategy to the T and let your A+ setup get set up, guess what happens? You actually get paid. Who would have freaking thought? Make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe for me, so that way YouTube will continue pushing these streams out to people just like yourself, quality traders that want to win the markets each and every day. You're live with me and the market makers of the Legacy Wealth Society. That's my private trading community, which is free to join, by the way. So come become part of the family. And all right, BP's coming. That's what I thought, BP. You know, you gotta talk some smack a little bit and he'll come. You know what I'm saying? That's it. Steve, he heard you talk that smack. He's like, oh, you jive turkey, I'm coming now. That's what he said. Just saying what BP said. All right, we push up to the middle of the 15-minute range here, 404.50. So let's see what we get here. Since we did push up to the middle of the 15-minute range, I'm patient. I'm not pressed or rushing anything here. We're going to take our time and we're going to execute. Right back down. Look at that. That is so freaking crazy. Like, and that makes us like, do I want to take it short or do I not? Because we pushed up, then we just came right back down with that retracement there. We're out of the back into the 15-minute range. Let's get below the 15-minute range is where I want to take it short, personally.
Yeah, we have news.
Yep, 3 minutes, less than 3.
Yeah. What's the news? Let me see. What are the news? Yeah. Works Factory. A leading index and natural gas at 10:30. Well, leading index right now 10.
All right.
Anything tentative?
I just snagged a quick little 40 right there. A quick 40.
40,
You know what I'm saying?
40 ounce. Now listen, G.
But I'm
we got-
stopping till 10. I'm stopping till 10
Yes,
because we got the news.
please.
That's why I just took it real quick. I'm like, you know what? I feel like it wants to continue down, but Moose is talking about the news, and I'm gonna respect the news and hold and wait. At the current rate that I'm losing weight right now since getting back from Europe.
You lost 4 pounds by the beginning of the damn stream, man.
Oh, from the stress. I know, bro. This is stressful. When the markets are like moving like this, it's stressful sometimes. But I should be right around 300 when I go to Mexico. And I'm gonna have to really make sure I'm not putting on those extra 10 pounds once I get there. The struggle, man. I train to lose weight and then I keep traveling and eating. Someone help me,
Okay,
please.
here we go. 25 seconds until showtime.
Yes, sir. News getting ready to drop. News getting ready to drop here. But this thing's looking like it wants to drop 2 on that 2 minute. What's the 1 minute looking like? That's looking like a little bear flag right there on the 1. So this is the news candle right here. This is the news candle right here on the 2 minute.
I think the news candle took a nap.
It wasn't sure what it wanted to do. We did tag that 21 EMA right there with that small push. I'm not trusting it though. I'm not trusting it right now. Let's get through that support level 372.08. 372.08 is a support level on Ninja Trader. So I want us to get through there. And if we do, I may take a short down to the low of the 15-minute range here. Let's see what we get. We're just sitting here right now. We're just sitting here. If I'm looking for a short, I want to get through this 372.08 level with some follow through. But it's very buoyant right around here. So, all right, just tagged it.
Readjust.
It wants to come down too. There we go. Then it bounces right back. Crash. Give me my follow through, Betsy. There we go. That's a good girl right there. Let's go. I'll take that. 1045 right there on that trade. Hot diggity dog. You know what I'm saying? Hot diggity dog right there, boys. That's easy. And we're breaking through the yellow line on the 2-minute chart as well. We get follow through that line. That'll be a another short there, just so you know. What was that?
I went to click out at 220 and I got freaking $4.
Green is verde. Job, turkey.
I'm sorry that happened.
No,
Are you still trading on TradingView? Are you still trading on TradingView, bro?
Yeah, and I reset it. Bro.
Honestly, bro, you need to look at trading on like Tradeify, bro.
Yes, bro.
Or Ninja Trader.
You know what it is? I don't know how to open and close positions on Tradeify.
It's a big button that says exit.
Whoa.
It says market sell, market. I don't know. I'll look it up later. I'm so
Yep,
right.
the buy and sell is still the same on Tradeify, and then you click the big button that says exit when you want to close.
Exit. Okay. Exit at market close. Okay, I see it. The top gray button, right?
Yeah.
Right next to buy, market, sell, or whatever.
Yep.
All right, why do I have 2 buys and 2 sells? 2 greens and 2 reds. What is that? Does that make a difference?
One's buy market, and the other one, what does it say? I forget on Tradeify.
It says there's 2 of them. There's 2 buys and 2 reds.
Yeah,
That
but
buy
one of them is
and
gonna be like
sell.
one of them's gonna be like that, maybe the ask or like the, you know what I mean, or the
Yeah.
bid.
Yeah, but why do I have 2 each though? That's what I'm saying.
Because they both.
buy market and then buy bid.
Yeah, so a buy market, that's putting you right at where the market price is at, right there. The buy bid, it puts it off a little bit off of the buy market. I actually do buy ask and sell bid. I feel like I get a little bit better fills that way.
Okay.
But that's just me personally.
He likes it.
So the bid is it's less. Right? If you buy bid, it's not exactly at the market price.
Yeah, it's not exactly at the market price, no.
You gotta wait till it gets to that number, in essence. Right?
Technically, yes. Technically, yes.
Yo, I'm beyond annoyed.
No, I feel you, but you gotta understand, you're trying to use TradingView with Tradeify, and their connection clearly right now isn't as good as it needs to be, so you're having that slippage.
Yeah, no, for sure. You know, but you put your trust in something that, you know, like this people make money off of this. You know what I'm saying? Like that's
100%.
You know, I'm definitely not opposed to what you're saying. I'm not going against it. I'm just saying, like, yo.
Even if you were, it's okay. You go against what I'm saying?
No, because I agree with you. I firmly agree. I'm just, you can hear my voice. I'm already freaking annoyed.
Yeah, the slippage sucks, man.
What's up, BP? Sneaking on in here without saying the you're. That's crazy.
Y'all were in the middle of talking. I was waiting. You're brother. What's going on?
Yeah. What's up, bro?
What's up, BP? What's good?
What's up, hombre?
What's going on, guys?
I gotta decide if I'm done trading for the day.
Denia, are you gonna like get in the game or what?
I've already been in the game. I already made my money. I could literally be done for the day if I want to be done. I already made my bread for the day.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm 6:18. I gotta leave in a couple minutes. I don't want to go. I don't want to get more annoyed. I'm having a good day.
Bro, you made 618. That's positive there. That's positive.
I'm just.
What's up? Okay. What's up, bro? Yo.
Let's just say I can get a withdrawal now.
What? You can get a payout?
Yeah. I'm actually this 618 is on another eval that I'm building, but I'm already positive for a payout on the other account.
That's awesome, bro. Congrats. Are you going to take the payout, or are you going to try stacking it?
No, I'm gonna take the payout because I already learned twice.
Hey, But when that money hits your account, bro, it will change your perspective of how you're trading.
No, for sure.
It makes it so much. It makes it real. It makes it real.
No, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. And that's why I didn't want to trade the other account right now, the real funded, because I don't want to go through this.
Yeah.
Like I'm already. It's not a lot, but it's positive enough. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And I'm just gonna use that to flip more accounts, and then that's it, little by little, and then eventually, go from there.
We tagged my yellow line. I jumped in, pulled right back up. Let's see if these bears finally step in to do the full flush here. If not, I'm ready to close. Yeah, it's dancing. Around that support line too.
Sorry, I have a camera in my mother's house, right? Because
that's awkward.
No, it's not. It's my mother. My mother's elderly. She's very stubborn.
I'm messing, Mooser. I'm messing.
Right? So she has health issues and stuff, right? So then, my mom is very. I think I've told you, my mom is very religious, right?
Yeah.
So I check on her, I only have it in the living room. I don't have it in her bedroom for her privacy, But in the morning, that's where she stays, right? Every morning when I click in, because I say good morning on purpose. It sounds crazy, but to make sure she's alive, because she has health issues.
Yeah.
No, it's sweet. You care.
And give me a second.
Give me a second too.
Probably should have said something sooner. It's kind of my bad. But
Unbelievable.
I'm sorry, but NQ is basically making higher lows, and ES just ran a bunch of them. But we're I think it might just be, I don't know. I can't put it into existence exactly, but we might be trying to go sweep before we can come back down. That would be the ideal plan, and hopefully it would take some orders to then shoot lower and take out the lows. That would be ideal. Maybe we could get a recorrelation play. But the low we need to take is at 309.
Sorry, so I'm back. So
God.
Every morning when I check in on her, right? I coincidentally catch her always praying. She's always she's cleaning the house or whatever she's doing, but she's praying, and I'm like, because I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I don't pray as much. I don't, you know. And she's like, "You don't wake up praying?" I'm like, "No, I wake up with coffee."
Wake up with coffee.
Yeah. So I just checked on her, and she's over there praying again. I'm like, "Hey, it never fails."
I think ideally we don't want to see any candle closures above 408.
Above 408? Okay.
Yeah, we don't want to see anything above there because I think we're trying to put in some bearish manipulation right now.
Well, these bears better step in or else I'm closing. This is taking too long. That support 372.08 is holding us. We gotta get below that 372.08 for me to feel some warm and fuzzies. There we go. Back below the 372.08 there.
Yeah, ES is technically stronger for the short, but hopefully NQ can follow through a little bit with this.
Right back to that support level. Let's see if we continue down here. I'm expecting a full flush here. Right back to that support once again. Yeah.
ES has taken out the wick that's equivalent to 330, so we're going to see if we can recorrelate. Got like 20 points to go. ES has now taken up to 317. Let's see if we can get all the way down to there.
Come on, Betsy. Right where the yellow line would be if it was extended here.
I might want to be careful now just because we need that flush to happen because we've already taken the low on ES.
If we get it. So we tag my entry. There we go.
Yeah, there's 330, 317 coming next, hopefully.
Well, I made $5. I got out of that. I'm not sitting in it. Too much for me. Too much for me.
Yeah, at least you got out.
Because looking at the 2 minute on my trading view, we got a strong buying wick. I'm like,
The Dow is just chilling at the bottom. How do you feel about that, BP?
I have not checked the Dow today.
Well, maybe you'd love it.
Let's see.
If we could clear some previous candle wicks, I may be inclined to take another short here. But we got to clear those previous candle wicks.
He might have an inclination.
Possibly. Possibly. What's up, forecaster? Yeah, I'll be waiting. I want us to clear at least for me 308, 308.7. Yeah, 308.75. If we could clear that, I'll take a short down to my first target to the low side, which is 273. So I'm just holding and waiting. Wait, put this. I have a visual. Getting through my yellow line there. Good. Want to see the full follow through.
We did just tag the 317.
So should I full port short or like what's good?
I don't know.
I should have on that last trade. I should have added in when it pulled back on me. I should have added in. Hindsight's always 2020.
Did you hop in with just one con at the time?
Yeah, I'm only jumping at one so I can add in now.
Yeah, I do like adding into a trade just because it gives you a much better entry, and then it just allows for you to have like kind of like multiple positions that will like stack to help each other.
Yeah. But I'm still working on doing the whole adding in, everything like that. I'm new to it. But hey.
You're new to the world, man. You're kicking ass. Yeah.
Trying to. Right back into the low of that 15-minute range. Alrighty. So we did clear the previous candle wick, but we just rocket ship right off of. That's crazy. And we're above that support again, 372.08. We got news in less than 10 minutes now. News in less than 10 minutes here. Right now, this thing's going sideways, so.
Sorry, I'm over here saying Brian. Nobody can hear me. I was muted. Guys, have a good day.
Good as well, brother.
Take care.
Guess I didn't get filled on that one. Then I did get filled. Okay. Wanting my push here. Need these bulls to push it just slightly.
Push it.
Push it real good. If you know what I mean.
Oh my goodness. Whole number there.
I'll take that. What's up, Danny? Yeah, guy had the Afro beats. That's the middle of the 15-minute range as well, right there. That's the middle of the 15-minute range.
15-minute the range.
You know how I feel about the middle of the 15-minute range.
Well, the ES is in the middle too. Have you done any charting between the multiples, BP?
Between what? What do you mean?
ES
looking
and
at
NQ.
it. Gotcha. Yeah, I have been, but we're just kind of like chopping, honestly, right now. Like
Yeah, that's
do
why I
just either the
actually
high or the low.
you can't. Everybody can't see me right now, but I actually have a cutting board and an onion. I mean, it's the only thing I can do.
Not the cutting board and an onion. That's awesome. Get your rest. Get your rest, Des. Have a good one. Yeah, right now we're just going nowhere fast. I'll say nowhere fast right now. Because since we're all the way up here close to the middle of the 15-minute range, like I want us to get above the middle of that range so that way we could possibly start looking for some more longs. How far are we from the VWAP? Okay, VWAP sitting at 445. 445. To pass it, even how much is it to pass and to lose, if you don't mind asking? Gus, don't mind. Depends on what size account you have. If you have a 50K account, you need to make $3,000 profit in that account to pass it. If you have like a 100K account, what is it? I think you need to make like 4,000 or something like that. Or no, 6,000. And then in the 150K account, you need to make $9,000 in the eval stage to pass it. We're back below that 372.08 right there. But I want to put on another trade, but I also don't. We got news at 10:30 here. This thing's just chopping at the low of this range today. Just add a little bit more right there, and now I'm gonna officially stop on this account. $1,000, we're done with this one. Let me not trade the chop, because when I trade the chop, I get chopped. Yeah, this thing's just straight barcoding right now. That's crazy. Anthony, how you doing, bro? How you trading this morning?
I think if I listened to the mix hard enough, I could hear BP doing the harmony in the back.
Possibly. Like, he does have some talent. So probably on the back of this track singing. Coming to a city near you. BP, Afro Beats. Don't want to miss it.
Yep. Make sure to book your tickets, guys.
$5,000 per ticket, he said.
Yeah, it's five grand a head.
Either that or it's a special. If you give him, you can bring him 10 evals and they'll let you in.
10
Yeah. You gotta bring me your codes that you get from your prop firms.
That's hilarious.
I think we might be gearing up for a long. We'll see. The long would not be stronger on it. It would be stronger for ES than NQ, just because we're like sweeping out these lows.
Gus wants to pre-order BP.
Pre-order? Okay, I got you. We'll make the website.
Oh, good news! Finally, next week Samsung's coming out to fix my freaking TV. You know, it's under warranty. I'm like, bro, it got this weird line on it. They're coming out next week to fix it. And if they can't fix it, they're replacing it. We'll take that.
I mean, that's what they should do, man. They pump out enough of those things. It's like,
hey, I would not mind getting another brand new 75-inch TV. You know what I'm saying?
they put in a bunch of like the smart TVs where I used to work.
Yeah.
And they were so buggy, it was a mess, man. They keep going tilt. It was like, I was like, no.
Yeah, mine, it randomly on the left side of the screen, it has like these lines that came on and they're like moving as well on the screen. I'm like, what in the world is this? And then they went away. And then they came back. I'm like, yeah, no, I'm good. It is 10:31. Are we going to break below this range? Like, what's this thing trying to do? Who freaking knows at this point? Because we're just like going sideways right now.
Yeah, it is honestly super choppy.
The super chop, baby.
Hey, I'm thankful for the money I made today on my fundeds and evals in this chop. Like, that's how I'm thinking to keep myself from wanting to click the button. Be grateful of what you got in the chop. Come back tomorrow. Hopefully it's better tomorrow for us. Actually, let me see if we got news tomorrow. Oh, we got finally 9:45 news tomorrow. And 9:45 news. So that may do something for us. 9:45 news tomorrow. So I'm intrigued. Looking like a possible bear flag on the 2-minute, possible bear flag. But I say possible only because we have been bouncing in this area and I don't want to take the short and then get bounced on. Just saying. Today's name of the game is protecting capital. You ate the chop today? Yeah. Steve chopped it up. Yeah, I ate it. That was it.
There it is.
Yeah, this is. I would honestly, if you're still trading this right now, gentlemen, I would be hands off. We need to clear out of this area before taking any more trades. But here's the cool thing: from consolidation, that's all this is right now. The move will come. I ate the chop suey with chopsticks today. Hey, let's go, Maxwell. It's just think about what Moose was talking about, how he makes sure his mom's alive, everything like that, and saying good morning, all that stuff over the camera, which is pretty cool. I'm not going to do that to my parents. My parents be like, huh? Why you got a camera in our house? But it's funny because I have a check on my little whiteboard up here from my grandmother. She passed back in 2019. And she would always, for like our birthdays and stuff, she wouldn't give cash. She would write a check. And we'd be like young kids, writing us a check. So I have a check from her on my whiteboard just as remembrance to her for $20 freaking. Are we finally going to break out? I don't even know. This thing's just bouncing.
Possibly. ES swept all the way up to 393, and then we started reversing. Yeah, this is looking like it was your 2-minute bear flag, Duane.
That's more than 2 minutes, so that's the issue. That's like a 30-minute bear flag right there.
Yeah.
I won't trade that one. I want to put another trade on, but I'm also like, I'm not trying to
get chopped.
Exactly.
But you don't want to be sitting there like 5 minutes in saying, come on, get me out of here.
That's the worst.
Yeah, that one day it was like I think a record trade, man.
I will say, dropping my size down 1 mini, I am able to stay in trades longer if it pulls against me.
Well, you do get double the drawdown compared to having 2 minis.
Yeah. So I do like that part. And I still printed on one contract, you know what I'm saying? $1,000 in a couple of accounts, $450 on others, you know what I'm saying? On one contract. So that's still solid. So. And honestly, this way, I don't have to think about that 10-second scalp, micro scalping with Tradeify or the 5-second with Lucid, because one mini, you're still sitting for a minute or two.
You're gonna get the opposite. You'll be like checking out, and they'll be like, "Actually, sir, you stayed in a trade for 18 minutes."
Yeah, this thing's just chopping. Chop City.
There's another concept that I've been looking into more recently, and I think that it might actually like have applied like 2 times in today's market.
Oh yeah, what's that?
It's basically where we go down and we mitigate more candles on one asset than another, and then there ends up having like some kind of bullish reaction. But what I've realized is, yes, it's mitigating candlesticks like to a certain extent, but in another weird way, if you think about it, because it doesn't mitigate enough candlesticks, one asset technically taps into a fair value gap, and then the other asset doesn't.
Yeah, I'm looking at that with the MACD, you know, it's kind of tracking, and it'd be interesting to run that up against a couple of assets and then see it.
Yeah, I agree, because like it's just so choppy today.
Added it. That's why I'm just like, yeah, whatever this thing wants to do.
I think we're just still sitting and we haven't even gotten any candle closures outside of the 15-minute orb. Just been inside of it this whole time.
Yeah. We're just chopping. It's a chop day.
Yep. If there's any indication, it'll definitely be that we never broke out of the 15.
Well, we broke out of the 15. We just never stayed out of the 15.
Well, yeah, we never got a candle closure outside of the 15-minute to confirm.
Yeah. For the chat, who's green, who's red, who's in between today? Let me know in the chat. Let's see how you guys are faring in these choppy conditions today. Hopefully you have your life jacket on today, everything like that in these choppiness. We're through the middle of the 15-minute range. If we can clear 413.50, I may look for a long to the VWAP. Or we just cleared it.
My goodness, he's getting ready. I see him like his mind is turning.
I shouldn't. But I see that VWAP so close. Let me see if we get some momentum on the Rincos.
Duane would like to see a flag.
I would just like to see solid momentum right now.
Well,
because
we're a little flag.
We're right back into the chop zone.
The previous 2-minute candle is resting on the first support pivot for the Camarillo pivot.
And we're coming to the middle of the 15-minute range as well, so yeah, there's the middle of the range tab. Yeah, let me not. Yes, Take Profit does have their 50% off sale going on right now for the 3-day to pass, the eval, which is solid 50% off. It is still an 80-20 split though in the funded. I stick to Tradeify and Lucid because it's a 90-10 split.
Plus, they did also just come out with the daily accounts too, which are basically the same thing as what TPT offers.
That they did, and honestly, that extra 10% adds up if you take consistent payouts.
Oh yeah, plus Lucid, I think, are the Lucid daily accounts also just one-time purchases?
Yeah.
Yeah, with TPT, they're still monthly, so if you don't pass it in the first month, you're gonna pay again.
Are we getting ready to rocket ship here on a bull flag?
I see him looking. Look at Duane. He's got his.
I moved my yellow line up. I did move my yellow line up.
And you got your fist on your chin. That's like you're just like ready to just get in there.
I'm tuning in from Stamford, Connecticut. Your bot told me to like, LOL. Yeah. The bot's letting y'all know. Make sure you guys are liking the stream, you know what I'm saying? Because the more you guys like it, the more YouTube pushes it.
Push it.
Those stars will follow, no signs in the sky, only breath and silence, moving through the night. I had chased the distance for a spark to call my own, till the dark stood beside me and showed I was not alone. I kept waiting for a signal, for a hand to lead me through, but every road outside me kept fading from the truth.
It's like it missed me by one tick. My entry was at 415.25.
Like the fire I had needed had been burning all along, looking pretty slow.
I have more orders if it wants to come fill them all.
Let your hidden
Nope.
brightness
Didn't even come back to get my first one.
carry my own light.
I'm risking $100 right here.
I don't need the distance to tell me I'm alive.
I'll take things your grandpa says at the blackjack table in Vegas for 100, Alex.
Coming true. What I searched for in the darkness was already moving through.
I want that VWAP tab.
The drums rolled under silence, like thunder without fear. Every breath grew wider, till the way became clear. No more borrowed fire, no more chasing signs, only truth in the rhythm, only light that's
I got tagged into two of my entries.
Well, it's not going to leave you behind. It likes you too much.
We'll see. It almost got my other two that I had. Because I had them at 401 and 400.
Still dancing a little bit. Put a little bit more in. But I'm gonna call it on this account. Not liking the consistent chop. The consistent chop. Check something here. Glad I got out of that. BP, you in the long or the short?
I'm still in my long. I'm getting stopped out right now.
soft gold falling through the smoke, slow hearts in the dark.
We're gonna flush down to that 21 EMA maybe.
Velvet voices, distant laughter, like echoes from another life. The room was moving gently, bodies lost in sound.
We're below the middle of the 15-minute range as well. Below the middle of the 15-minute range here. I'll take that. I'll take that. Just add a couple more dollars. Just a couple more dollars there, boys. I was targeting that 21 EMA and we swiped it very quickly there. Back down to that 372.08 support level. If anything, I say it looks like a bear flag from 300 to 440. Yes and no. I do feel like the market does want to go down, but there's not enough momentum to push it. We got 10 more minutes for the stream, and then I'm jumping out of here. We're below the 21 EMA. We're in the chop zone again, though. We're in the chop zone, boys. You know the danger zone? That song from Top Gun or whatever. This is the chop zone. Stay safe.
I feel like BP is deep into something because he hasn't been humming or anything.
Oh no, I'm just sitting here just looking to see what the next opportunity would be because I got stopped out on that last one.
Like, I want to take a short. I do. But we're in the chop zone.
Highway to the chop zone.
And there's no momentum right now on the Rincos. So chop zone and no momentum. Duane, don't trade. Yes, I'm talking to myself because if I don't, I may take a trade in the chop zone.
I love that you're talking to yourself.
Some people may think it's kind of weird. Just saying.
That's the problem that I have. I'm always the most normal one in the room, so it's tough.
I see where I made my mistake now. We were interacting with the manipulation from like this morning, like more earlier. We tagged it, which was like right here at like 4:30.
Okay.
Yeah, if I had an idea, because it gave 3 different reactions in the same spot from that manipulation zone.
I'm gonna wait for the next 2-minute candle to print because if it gives us a little bear flag here, I may want to take it, but I don't because we're in the chop. Like, struggle's real. Struggle's real. Heading up to the middle of the 15-minute range. 30 seconds left on this candle here. We're above the 21 EMA slightly above the 21 EMA right now. All right, now we're below it. Let's get below 372.08. There's the 372.08 level tap. I'm flush already. This thing stays playing with me around this support level. Woo! Look at that reaction there. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if the Bears have enough to flush this completely.
30 seconds on a 2-minute candle left.
Did we get our flush?
Slow fire in the darkness, shadows on the ground. Ancient droves awaken me. A forgotten
Those buying wicks are just kind of lapping it up, and it's like it's just piercing a little bit through the force support Camarillo pivot.
spent so long hiding behind the noise and the fear, trying to escape myself instead of staying here. But the rhythm kept calling underneath my skin.
I'll close that out. Lost 600 on that one. Didn't get the. I was looking for a full flush. Oh well. That's what happens when you play with the chop. You get chopped sometimes. Uh-oh. What happened, BP?
Oh, nothing. I just took a loss on that one too, but yeah, that is unfortunate.
Yeah, I thought we were going to have more of a flush on it, but that's what I get for trying to trade the chop. But it's officially 11 o'clock. I'm going to be jumping out of here because at the end of the day, I'm going to take my money and run. And I recommend all you guys do the same in these current conditions. Stay safe in these markets, everybody. Tonight we have the traders hang out 9:30 p.m. Eastern, where we're talking trading, talking life. Fireside once again. I will see you guys tonight. Legacy fam, nothing but love. My market makers, good job today printing like usual.
Green machine.
The green machines, love it. I will catch y'all later. Be blessed, everybody.
Hey, take care, y'all. Have a good day.
Hey, goodbye, BP.